Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Huma, your English subject instructor from tutoria.pk. I hope you all are doing well. In this video, I am going to discuss the exercise of the chapter number 9, which is the foolish quack. Now let's move on to our first question, which is MCQs. तो यहाँ हमारे पास कुछ सवाल होंगे जिनके आपको 4 ऑप्शंस नजर आएंगे और हमने सबसे बेहतरीन जवाब पे सर्कल करना है. So the first question is, where did the traveler stay? In an inn, in a jungle, in a haveli, under a clump of the trees. So the option number D is correct. And the second question is, why did the camel fall ill? By heat stroke, by infection, a melon stuck in throat, by poison. So the correct answer is C, a melon stuck in the throat. What had happened to the throat of an old woman? Infectious, swollen, wounded, paining. So it was swollen. The next question which we have is, what did a quack claim to cure? Fever, goiter, headache, injury. So the correct answer is B. What punishment did the villagers propose on the death of the old woman? To pay the damages, to be prosecuted, to dig her grave, to be imprisoned. So the correct answer is to dig her grave. Now the question number 6 is, how was the quack treated when he had dug the grave? He was honored, rewarded, beaten well, fined. So the correct answer is he was beaten well. What was the effect of the punishment on the quack? Uninfluenced, influenced, left the profession, returned disgusted. So the correct answer is uninfluenced. What was the condition the quack suggested before treating an old man? To lay the old man on the bed, not to be compelled to dig the grave, not to be made responsible for the death of the man, to have the fee first. So the correct answer is B, not to be compelled to dig the grave. So the question number 9 is, why did the quack return to the camel men instead of continuing his profession? To befool them, to inquire the cause of death of old woman, to blame them, to get his luggage. So the correct answer is to blame them. The last question is, who was proved stupid? The camel men, old woman, the quack, a villager. So the correct answer is quack. So here we are done with our first exercise. Now let's move on to our next exercise, which is true false. तो यहाँ हमारे पास कुछ statements होंगे जिनमें से कुछ statements गलत हैं, उनके आगे हमने false लगाना है, जबकि जो statements true होंगे उनके आगे हमने true लगाना है. So let's move on to the discussion. The first question is, with the blow of mallet, the melon broke in the throat of the camel. Yes, it's correct. The camel swallowed the broken melon and felt all right. True. The quack cured the old woman. False. The quack was compelled to dig the grave. True. The villagers of next village refused to get the old man treated. True. The quack returned to the camel men to tell them that they had shown the right way to cure the disease. False. The camel can bear the blow of a mallet but not the old man. True. There was little effort of the blow of a whip on the camel. True. So we are done with our next exercise as well. Thank you.